So this brick patio here is going to extend out to here, and then this is garden and lawn, mostly grass with a patch of garden or vice versa. This is curving up, which means water's going to run down that way, so we've got to remove these bricks and slope it down more away from the house. Let's set these over here for now. So this is a before shot. Basically create an outline there to separate the racetrack from the lawn and garden. So this area here will be patio, lawn, and garden. This is land crafting. And Maka'aina land crafting is eyes of the land, using intuition and insight from the land to design and build it.